Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, tire balancers, and tire mounting machines. Hello, I'm Tweenie. In this video we'll show you our TWIN BUSCH underfloor scissor lift S3-18U. Our TWS3-18U has a lifting capacity of up to 3 tons. The weight of the vehicle can be perfectly distributed through the ramp extensions. Thanks to the automatic safety lock and the acoustic warning device when the platform is lowered, as well as the foot protection function, it offers a high degree of operational safety. In addition, our TWS3-18U has an emergency lowering function, and it can be completely sunk into the ground. As a result, our lift is more compact and it can be easily driven over with other equipment. Our TWS3-18U is perfect for sports and racing vehicles. Let's start with our practice demonstration, as always, with the lifting position of the car. After positioning the blocks, we slightly raise the vehicle and check that all is safe. Press the up button to raise the lift. When the platform stops, the safety catches automatically lower into the latching positions and protect the platform from unintentional release. Let's fully extend the lift. The 2 powerful hydraulic cylinders ensure a fast and powerful lifting operation. This time we put the lift in the safety catch with the key lock button. As a result, we relieve the hydraulic cylinder and ensure maximum safety during work under the car. Finally, we will lower the lift with the down 1 and down 2 buttons. First, the down 1 button lowers the lift to 30 cm, then changes to down 2. The warning tone is to let people in the working area know that the lift is being lowered. When the foot protection level is reached, the lift stops automatically, and the lift can be lowered completely by pressing the down 2 button. The lifting platform TWS3-18U has pull-out extensions which enable longer vehicles to be lifted. The platform has to be raised up slightly in order to pull out the extensions. The extensions can be simply pulled out of the lift as required. With the extensions, the ramp length extends from 155 cm up to 195 cm. Take advantage of our all-in-one service. We offer a nationwide delivery, assembly and spare parts service in most countries. And if you should be near one of our branches, please pay us a visit. We are looking forward to see you.